Want to finally create your own RPG game in Unity? My name is Alex and I'm presenting the ultimate guide to help you make your very own RPG from scratch. With thousands of 5-star reviews and tens of thousands of students, this course already helped countless developers start making games they always wanted. And you can be next. I'll guide you step by step and you will learn everything you need to know inside of this course. And if you don't have experience, that's totally fine. Everything was designed to be beginner friendly and I explain logic behind every step we take. We start in strong by building a finite state machine, a system that allows you to make very expandable and versatile player controller. Movement, combat, skills, you'll be able to build anything you want in your own RPG game. After that, we learn how to create levels and set up the camera, and of course, we're going to make enemies. I'm showing everything you need to know to design different and engaging enemy behaviors. All of that, in combination with a complete combat system, gives you a clean, responsive prototype that already feels like a real game. And yet, that's just the beginning. Then we're going to learn how to make skills, and not just a few, but an entire customizable skill tree. You will learn how to make skill upgrades, change their behavior, and even create interactions where one skill empowers another. All of that not just to build cool features, but to truly understand how to make games in Unity. As a next step, we dive into systems that turn your game into fully functional RPG. You will make deep, flexible stat system, the kind of a stat system you would expect in real modern RPG. Evasion, critical hits, magical damage, resistances, armor, modifiers, buffs, enemies being slowed by ice damage, lightning damage, strikes from above, and so much more. And then there is item system, equipment that can affect stats, unique items with special effects, consumable items, and of course, craft system. You'll be able to craft items with materials, you will learn how to set up storage for your items, there will be NPC and a shop where you can buy or sell your items, and all of that will be working with a robust saving system that can save and load items, skills, checkpoints, basically any progress you need to save. All of this will give you plenty of examples to learn how to make your own system in your future games. And if that's not enough, there is an audio manager, scene manager to go from one level to another or to teleport back to town. We also build a versatile quest system and dialogue system with choices, both of which make the game feel truly alive. By the end of the course, you will have all of the tools you need to create your very own unique RPG game that you can share with your friends and family, use in your portfolio, or maybe publish as a full-time indie game developer. Ready to bring your ideas to life? Let's make it happen! Enroll in my course now and begin your journey as a game developer.